In the quaint village of Thistledown, nestled among rolling green hills and babbling brooks, there lived a young boy named Oliver. Oliver was a curious child, with an imagination as boundless as the sky. His days were filled with adventures, whether exploring the woods near his home or crafting tales of far-off lands in his mind. One sunny afternoon, as the golden sunbeams danced on the dewy grass, Oliver discovered a peculiar object while playing in his backyard. It was a marble, unlike any he had seen before. Shimmering like a miniature rainbow, it seemed to hold secrets of worlds unknown. "What a marvelous find!" Oliver exclaimed. Pocketing the mystical marble, Oliver ran inside to show his grandmother, with whom he lived. Grandma Elsie was a wise woman, revered by the villagers for her knowledge and warmth. "Look, Grandma Elsie! I found a magic marble," he shouted gleefully as he burst into the cozy kitchen. Grandma Elsie, tending to a pot of fragrant soup, turned and smiled. "Why, Oliver, that looks like a special marble indeed. You know, in the hands of a true adventurer, it may lead to unimaginable places." Oliver's heart soared with her words. That night, as the moon cast its silvery glow over Thistledown, he placed the marble on his bedside table, eager to see what dreams it would inspire. As Oliver drifted into a deep sleep, he found himself standing on the edge of an enchanted forest. The marble, clutched tightly in his hand, glowed with a soft luminescence, illuminating the path ahead. Intrigued, Oliver ventured into the forest. The trees whispered tales of ancient times, and woodland creatures flitted about, watching over Oliver as he wandered deeper. Through tangled vines and beneath the canopy of stars, he walked until he reached a clearing where a majestic tree stood at its center. Perched on one of its branches, a wise old raven with feathers as dark as ink spoke, "Young traveler, you hold the key to the forest of whimsy. Each path you choose will lead to a story untold, but you must be brave and true." Oliver nodded, feeling a sense of purpose. Just then, the marble glowed brighter, revealing a path to a tower of light shimmering in the distance. "Thank you, majestic raven," Oliver replied. Oliver set off towards the tower. With each step, the forest seemed to pulse with life. Strange plants unfurled, and curious animals offered guidance to the brave little traveler. Upon reaching the tower, Oliver found a spiraling staircase leading upwards. He ascended the steps with determination, the air thick with anticipation. At the top, a door awaited, adorned with images of countless marbles like his own. Oliver took a deep breath and entered. Inside, the room was filled with a dazzling array of marbles, each holding a different hue and story. At the center, a large marble sat on a pedestal, revolving gently and reflecting the mysteries of the universe. Oliver approached it, the cool, smooth surface of his own marble warming in his hand, as if urging him to touch the large one. As their surfaces met, time seemed to pause. In that moment, Oliver saw visions of endless possibilities, landscapes of emerald and sapphire, cities of gold and marble, and skies filled with creatures of myth. A voice echoed in his mind, "Remember, the true magic lies not in the marvels you see, but in the stories you dare to tell." With that, the vision faded and Oliver found himself awake in bed, the marble resting in his palm. Morning sun filtered through the curtains, bringing with it a new day. Oliver knew his adventure had just begun, and with his magic marble, each day would bring new tales to weave and wonders to discover.